That's right. It was a 10-year-old who was inside of the home. He noticed this fire and alerted the 3 other people in the home, all under the age of 18. Neighbors, they saw the flames. They rushed over to get those 4 people out of the house, and they grew frantic when they learned there was a 10-month-old upstairs in a bedroom. That baby you mentioned still in critical condition tonight. Around 1 o'clock Friday afternoon, Indianapolis firefighters rushed to this home on North Hamilton Avenue for a fire. 4 people inside, a 16-year-old, a 10, 3, and 2-year-old would make it out safely. But that 16-year-old's 10-month-old baby boy found in an upstairs bedroom. Firefighters made their way inside to rescue him and then administer CPR. He was taken to a hospital in critical condition. Investigators say the fire started in the living room of this multi-unit home, a home being rented by a woman who was not home at the time. An adult who was visiting the home with those 3 kids was also not there when the fire started. An IFD spokesperson told us it's been a difficult day for firefighters.
We've had a lot of kids injured this year. We've had a lot of adults injured this year. We've had thus far 6 fatalities, and we're only at the end of February. It hits hard for us as a firefighting community because this is, a lot of injury this early in the year. And so, again, our thoughts and prayers are with the family of this young person.
Again, our thoughts and prayers are also with the family of that little boy. So are, the neighbors here who are, again, just praying for that little boy. We've also learned that 2 dogs have also died in this fire. Again, a fire started by a space heater, first floor living room, that left a 10-month-old boy in critical condition. And Scott.